Students, now let us look at some of the recent trends in logistics. So in terms of recent trends, third-party logistics or 3PL is one of the important trends. You know what is third-party logistics. Let us redefine and refresh that concept. A third-party logistics service is something more than subcontracting or outsourcing. So it is more than that. It's just not about subcontracting or outsourcing some of the activities of an organization. Typically, subcontracting or outsourcing covers one product or a family of products or one function that is produced or provided by an outside vendor. But it should not be one activity for a 3PL. 3PL will provide me with each and every aspect of that total logistical activity which is being outsourced. The example would actually include the automobile companies subcontracting the manufacture of airbags or construction companies subcontracting the roofing, and because they cannot make it. Then the third-party logistics provider cut across multiple logistics functions and primarily coordinate all the logistic functions and sometimes act as a provider of one or more functions. So what actually happens? Third-party logistics might give you some cost-effective criteria as well. They might help you in cutting your logistic functions. They might help you in providing more than one logistical activity. So that is an important thing about third-party logistics, that they are not just, not just the outsourcing activity. In fact, they help you in having a cost-effective scenarios as well as making your activity more productive. Thank you.